Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect GitHub to Visual Studio Code. Now this is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial. Now you just need to search for on Google for download Git. That's the first step. Okay, download Git here, then click search. Make sure you select the official website here. This is how it looks like. Now you want to click on download. Now after that you just need to select here your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows. Click on it. After that you just need to download. I'm going to download it for Windows here, 64 bits. Okay, click on it, and then after that you want to wait for it to download. Now after that you want to click on the file. Now in the next step what you need to do is you want to click on yes here, and then you want to click on next, and then you want to click on next. Here you just need to select here the use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor, and then you want to click on next, and you click on next, and then the same thing, click on next. The same, click next, also next. Okay, so just wait for the program to install. It's going to take a few seconds. So after that you just need to uncheck this where it says view release notes, then click on finish. Okay, next step you want to open Visual Studio Code, and then after that you just need to click here on the Explorer icon or Ctrl+Shift+E. After that you want to click on clone repository here. After that you just need to search here for clone from GitHub. Okay, and then you want to click on it. Now it will say here extension GitHub wants to sign in using GitHub. Just click on allow. Now it's going to take you to this page. You just need to log in into your GitHub account. Now after you enter the password, you just need to click here on continue, and then here you just need to click on authorize Visual Studio Code, and then here it will say site is trying to open Visual Studio. Just need to click on open. Okay, now here you will be able to see all your repositories here. You can also log into your GitHub. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to log into my GitHub account. As you can see, these are all the repositories. So as you can see all my repositories here. I'm going to connect, for example, to the best project. Okay, I'm going to connect to this, for example. Now you just need to go to Visual Studio, and then you want to find it here. Let me search for it. Okay, let me check here. Welcome to my fake website. For example, I want to connect to my welcome to my fake website. I'm going to do that here. Welcome to, this is it. Click on it. Now I just need to find here the location, repository, destination. For example, I'm going to clone it here to this file, to this folder. I'm going to go to the commands and open a folder here, and then click select as a repository destination. Now after that you just need to click here on open. Okay, so next step is you want to check this one, trust authors of all files in the parent folder middle. Just click on trust. Yes, I trust. And then next step, so next you just need to click on terminal here in the top left, and then you want to click on a new terminal. Okay, so next you just need to click here this arrow where it says launch profile, and then you want to click on command prompt. Okay, so next you just need, like I said, next you just need to go to description, and you want to copy two commands there. Okay, copy the first one and the second one, but make sure you change the username. First, this is my own username here. you just need to remove this and then replace it with your own username. Okay, to find the username, you just need to go to your GitHub account, and in the top right you will be able to see the username. That's the username, the top right. And then you just need to replace the username, my own username. You want to replace it with your own username. Now next, here the second command, you just need to change my own email to your own email associated with your GitHub account. Okay, so that's all you need to do. You just need to use the same email you used to log in into your GitHub account. After that, you just need to copy the first command. Just copy the first command, and then what you need to do, you want to go to the studio here, Visual Studio, and then you want to paste here the code, the command. Okay, you just need to paste it here using Ctrl, like for example, you can, for example, I'd say just click on Ctrl V or right click and then paste here the username and then click on enter. Now next, then copy the second command here, and again just paste it here, then click enter. Now next step is you just need to click here, Explorer. Now make a change here. I'm going to remove this, and then after that you want to make sure you save this. Okay, very important. Make sure you click here, click on save all. After that you just need to remove this, just close, just right, like 3 little dots in the top right, click close all. So that you want to click here, it says source control. And after that you want to click in this arrow here, blue. You want to click on commit and push. Now click on yes. Okay, next you just need to name this whatever new change, for example, and then you want to click here, accept the commit message, click on it, then click on save, and then they will ask you to log in into your GitHub. Just click on sign in with your browser. So I'm going to click here on sign in with your browser. Now it's going to take you to your GitHub. Just click on authorize Git ecosystem. Now I just need to enter your password, click confirm. Just give it a few seconds. After you log in, you will be able to find your new thing here. Now you can also click here on Visual Studio Code, and if you click here on source control, you will be able to see the new thing here. As you can see, just click on view open on GitHub. If you click just on open on GitHub, it will go directly to GitHub, as you can see. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. That's how you can connect GitHub to Visual Studio. Okay, so just make sure you enter here the username in the terminal and then the email. That's it. Now if you go to your GitHub, you will find everything there. Just click on like here, as you can see, repositories. Click on show more. You will be able to see here. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. Please drop a like and subscribe. Drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. See you.